megalayapost.news.
Haba yasnok tilang berkejala Meghalaya kepala rakhi kerpang ya kasi bakal ayo ya kejala bapura kata naru senam kat kendai spa nyupuar menda kasi na kaliang ke patar khma civil subdivision kepala rakhi ya kini kasi na ke bapulong ya ke program bakerpang haplau jangka office terikam UBDO Jirang Blok hak di kasi baka patar khma civil subdivision kala pelong ya ke tiging rakhi Meghalaya di lasaki da ke jingan lang ba sustainable sotun MLA ke Jirang nangta ke Dr. Margaret Lingdo folklorist ke University of Tartu Hari Estonia uba MB Tongper SDO ke patar khma civil subdivision Dr. P Hajong BDO ke Jirang Sinadi Blok kinong ilam ke hima kisnong lembat kwe ke Dr. Margaret Lingdo Ustad Kanatang na ke skol ba Tartu Estonia aba ajing kren ha gani gesi kala sam ya gejing champang kumno gejing etuk khana tanrai ki ade ba kejuk ba menta na ka bawat ya ki tanrai ba gejing hikai na ki por bala letno ki bala penwandur ya ke por ba menta na kaleng ba sustainable sotun la ai gejing ro ya ke office patar khma civil subdivision ki bala pelong ya ke program ban rakhi kerpang ya ke sngi ba ka Meghalaya kala yo ya la ke jong ke jela ba pura shushu tu ya meli ke jirang la ai gejing ro ya kinong ile penyo ya ke jela hak itu gisnem ki balalit no baro hak ba lingba ke jinglen ladi ba ke jing tristam ke jengki kala pelong ya ke jela bakan yo ya la ke jong ke jela
Intrinsic part of the Khasi culture and Garo cultures, preserving wisdom, values, and lessons for future generations. Our folk tales are not just mere stories, they are a bridge between the past and the present, carrying forward our indigenous language, beliefs, and moral lessons. You already also know that among the Khasi people, oral poetry called Kipawar are often recited in poetic and rhythmic forms. These traditional verses convey historical events, moral teachings, and even humor, reflecting the rich linguistic artistry of our ancestors. The Pindabar legends like Usir Lapanang and Kalukmi, which narrate tales of love, sacrifice, and destiny, embodying deep cultural insights. But the Jantia community too has a lot of folklore passed down through generations. Their myths explain the origins of nature, mountains, rivers, and even human behavior. Tales, such as the oral epic of Ukushno by Berondika or Mulaundi, can you change the slide? That is where the cow is born. Depict the close relationship with the natural world, emphasizing respect and harmony with the environment. For the Garo people, storytelling takes the form of oral epics sung and narrated during festivals and ceremonies. Think about Katagana and Nokbanti tales recount the adventures of warriors, hunters, and mythical beings, fostering a sense of pride and connection with the past. Now, these stories are also a means of educating the younger generation about the values of wisdom, bravery, and community. But let me tell you something new, okay? Something new. There are crucial and core stories among Khasi, Mar and Garo that are not told for entertainment or to pass on knowledge.
Model Degree College. Ka building na dep, magmetaw step, kisiyo, man stanglo eki, at yaka college, metaw step, ka academic year, metaw step, iliyo ka stanglo, but nasuman ay kajing kuplay stashisin, nakamenta kani kajing lepay, kajing ii, yung kasokan, at tagagidon, jinon kam to di palpa haka western liboy di Broadway. Giveaway improvement, agibay baka health sector, agri, hoti bakunta terter, bakunjuru agabidey, but improvement ya di government schools. The government LP school, but kiwe school kiba ka sorka kala shimpia naga ni ngaso banaya ko burok ka bukaw yung education department ya ka sorka hi baro kala shimpia naga kumno ban tintiu aga bili but kare ka constancy ka pai ka jongi ipat ba kinongklet ya ka outbreak jauh penai Desember Kapatma Civil Subdivision Agabang Honorable Chief Minister Lawan Wan Play Ipaipa aka Western Ipoy Kinsai ya kejikala nang nation kemat Banya kwa ban pepau kemat joti baro Baka Patma Civil Subdivision ka permanent building yin sayono mentau sem Ngaso ban ai ya ka burom baka jiro ya ka jingshipya jong ga soka Honorable Chief Minister Sir Conrad K. Sangma Ipatba kinongkam ka soka ka skap ka jila karanang kiyo ka konsensi gini karanang kiyo kinongkam kumno bangin hap ban fokus Lani ban ay kita nagsikri lang bat ki department ki pero ki officers ki pero ki badon aman lagi department bat ka sorka ban ay nagsikri lang idon kam man kintiu ya ka jela ka jungi bat kerpang idon kam man kintiu ya ka konsensi ka jungi ka pangai baka don ya ka jingerman baka konsensi ka jungi ka satay na diwe konsensi ibandai ka model jong diwe baki konsensi gaman skap ingay skap panalo utar ski kamtam habung iyo banyara kiye ka ski ya ka jingtaw ka basan pulai snem jong ka jela ka jungi ikin mau burom ya kinongile ya ka hill state ibala punyo engi ka jela ka baki ka jungi Lengba ka jungi ijnai ka jungi Lengba ka jing lenda de ka jungi Ngilayo ya ka ne ka jela ka bi ka jungi Ibu ki jingwai mo play nang ya ka tu nang ya tesai ya ka jingat tu ya ka jela ka bi ka jungi bat kunju kerpang ya ka konsensi ka jungi ka ba wemele jungi mikmat Kublai Shibun ya ka office ng SDO Civil Ba Marlon Tongper, Kublai Shibun ya ka office ng video Jirang Dok, Dr. Hajong, nantang pepaw di Kublai staff baro, pat Kublai Shibun di baro, kibay shimenta, ibidon lang agani kupon, kamtam, ineki SSGs, kibay shimenta, iba peni ya kita ka riam terlai, lele peni ya kita ka culture, ya ka jiruspa, juga culture, juga jelas.
MeghalayaPost.news